The MinimLL Syringe is the first 0.5 ml low dead space Luer syringe on the market and was designed by Air-Tite Products based on feedback from clinicians over the years. The MinimLL Syringe can be used for neurotoxin injections, filler, and many other injections. Unlike using insulin-style needles where you dull the needle immediately by piercing the vial for draw-up, you can now use the MinimLL Syringe using a drop needle. You draw up your desired product up to the fiducial line and change out to a low dead space needle before injecting the patient. The TSK low dead space needles are the perfect combination because you eliminate the dead space in the hub, which saves you lots of product and money. They are also high quality and stay sharp for a long time. The Luer tip adds a layer of security to prevent needle pop-off, and because the syringe holds a smaller volume, the graduation markings are easier to read, making dosing more precise. You could even use a syringe connector to transfer filler into, like this, to make it more comfortable for the patient. And you could even use it with a cannula. Another thing I love about this is that it's pink. It's super cute, and Air-Tite donates a portion of the proceeds to breast cancer research.